Hey guys, it's Yada here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, you're going to watch me bake mini cheesecakes. They're one of my favorite desserts to bake. I'll leave the link to the recipe in the description box down below, so you can definitely try them out. And yeah, let's get started. So here are the ingredients I used: sour cream, cream cheese, vanilla essence, unsalted butter, graham crackers or digestive cookies, granulated sugar, a large egg, brown sugar, and jam and fruits, which are both in the fridge. After preheating my oven to 350 degrees, I'm taking my cookies and mashing them up. I used a potato masher to make my cookie crumbs, but if you have a food processor, definitely use that. You want your cookie crumbs to be as small as possible, no big chunks. This recipe makes 12 servings, so you'll need 1 1/4 cups of cookie crumbs. Next, I am heating my butter. I use the stove, but you can use your microwave. You need 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now I'm adding the butter to the cookie crumbs. After that, I added 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then I mix them all together. I absolutely love the smell of the butter in the cookie crumbs. It smells so good, like so buttery and just warm and toasty and Now I'm lining the cupcake tins with cups. Take a tablespoon of the cookie crumbs and place it in each cup. Then use your spoon to press it down firmly. If you have some left over, you could definitely add them to the other cups, but if you really want, you can make 2 to 3 more cheesecakes on a separate cupcake tin. Alright, it is filling time. Woo, woo, woo. So take your 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese and place it in a medium or large sized bowl. Then use your mixer and mix it around. Then add your egg, sugar, vanilla essence, and sour cream. The recipe says you should add the sour cream after the cream cheese, but for whatever reason, I always forget to do that. So, because I made 2 sets of the mini cheesecakes, so in total I made around 24 cheesecakes. For the second time I did it, I added the sour cream after the cream cheese, but for some reason it had lumps, like a lot more lumps than the first one. And actually I'll show you guys a video of what it looked like after I baked it, because there was a difference in like the texture and in like what it looked like. But yeah, that was weird. Honestly, I don't really care if there are lumps because the fruits will cover them anyway, because I feel like whenever I make cheesecake, there's always lumps in my filling, but like, who cares? Honestly, who cares? I also highly recommend you add lemon zest to your filling. Like, just take a lemon and grate it over your filling. So good. Like, the bomb. Like, so good. The filling, when I added the sour cream right after the cream cheese, is on the right, and the left one is when I added it last. The left side, as you guys can see, is definitely smoother than the right, so yeah. Okay, now you're going to scoop the filling into each cup. Okay, now grab a kitchen mitten and put your mini cheesecakes in the oven. I highly recommend you put them on the top rack, because if you put them on the bottom, then the bottom, like the crust of the cheesecake, will probably just like burn. So you want to bake them for at least 18 minutes or when they start to turn brown. After 18 minutes, take your cheesecakes out of the oven. Remove each cake from the tin. If you leave them in there, it will still bake. I let mine cool for around 10 minutes before putting them in the fridge. Leave them in the fridge for at least 20 minutes so they harden. Now I am removing the cheesecakes from their cups. We're now going to be preparing the fruits. So I used blueberries and strawberries, but you could definitely use raspberries, blackberries, kiwi, and any fruit you want. Next, take your jam and scoop some onto the cakes. This not only adds flavor, but it helps your fruits stick. Then add your fruits. And that is it, guys. Look how good they look. They look so good, and yes, they taste good. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down what dessert I should bake next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!